International Committee of the Red Cross workers were kidnapped last week in the southern Philippines, but they may be held by rogue elements not necessarily connected to the notorious Abu Sayyaf
ferry near Manila in 2004. The group are notorious for kidnapping and demand.
We want everyone to know that we never said we wanted ransom or money. We have never spoken to anyone about our demands, and we will not negotiate until the military has pulled out.
The militants are a small Islamic group blamed for the bombing that Andre Mota and his two companions were abducted on January 15th while inspecting a water and sanitation project on the island of Jolo.
3 workers of the International Committee of the Red Cross are being held captive in the Philippines. Their abductors want the military to suspend rescue operations.
Sandali ng aking buhay, pagmamahal mo ang aking taglay. San man mapadpad ng hangin, hindi magbabago ang aking pagtingin. Pangako natin sa may kapal na tayo lamang sa habang buhay maghintay. Ipaglalaban ko ang ating pag-ibig. Maghintay ka lamang, ako'y darating. Pagkat sa isang taong mahal mo ng buong puso, lahat ay gagawin. Makita ka muli, puso'y nagdurusa, nangungulila. Iniisip ka pag nag-iisa, inaalala mga sandali nang tayo ay magkapiling. Ikaw ang gabay sa aking tuwina, ang aking ilaw sa gabing mapanglaw. Tanging ikaw, ipaglalaban ko ang ating pag-ibig. Maghintay ka lamang, ako'y darating. Pagkat sa isang taong mahal mo ng buong puso, lahat ay gagawin. Makita kang muli, makita kang muli, makita kang muli.
At siya ay handa sa pagganap sa tungkulin. Buhay ay aalay kung hihingi. Para sa akin, ang tatay ko